the lot we always go to.
Nice.
Oh, does that suck?
Why is it closed?
I don't know.
Is it just full?
I don't know.
I guess that they're taking people.
Who's taking people? They are. That's private parking.
State fair parking right there, $40. Holy cow.
Holy shit. Credit card only.
Do we want to go around to,
Let's just do this.
yeah, let's just.
Because it's $40
They're
if you
gonna
turn
let
there
us in.
too.
Yep. All the,
It's gonna be
this is all
$40
the
everywhere.
private parking.
It's just credit card only. That's crazy. We got freaking Square, those like plug-in Square things.
Yep. No, upstairs. Oh my gosh.
Mom just told, she's like, give it.
I want to get the guy when we pay for it.
Oh, Mom, Dad didn't stop. It went black.
No, the screen, it's still going. But if you want to see what you're doing, you got to tap the screen.
Oh, got it. Why do they have stools?
I don't know, but that's a University of Minnesota
Yeah.
van, so. Oh, come on.
Let's throw this up on the dash. Let's try tap with this one.
See, those guys are super early. They were here at 6 a.m. for breakfast. Good morning. $3, please.
And one senior.
Thank you.
31.
13 to 64. A couple years I get a discount. All right, so
We have to start out. Hang on.
So buttons on
Hang on. First selfie of the day.
Oh. Selfie.
Hi. Hi. We're all going to the fair, the Minnesota Great Get Together. We're going to show you around a little bit, but the three of us are getting started and others joining us later. Bye.
And that little one right there, but there's the North City of it.
Yeah, history of candy in there. You know about that?
I do not know.
It's
about
really
the
quite
history of candy.
interesting. Yeah, you go in on the right door, see where those people are going in.
Yeah.
And it's everything about the history of candy, how it's made, how it was invented,
Yeah.
and all that. And it's really quite fun. I don't even eat that much candy, but it
Really feels soft. Open next.
Oh my God, you're watching it.
Humble.
Mommy.
It's just all those little kids.
Very fun. Therapy llamas. Awesome.
dedication to it. She's a really nice cow. These are 3 beautiful cows. Give them another round of applause. They surely deserve it.
What a gorgeous udder.
Thank you. Now we'll have a white one.
Okay.
Thank you so much. So this is the gluten-free stand, Amy's, and both Melissa and Annalie are gluten-free.
I think it's Auntie M's.
Oh, maybe it is. Angie?
Auntie, like A-U-N-T-I-E.
So it's all gluten-free. They love coming here.
Let's see what you guys got.
On a stick. Fair style.
Was that walleye?
But the sauce is really hot. And it's got pineapple on it.
What do you think?
It's yummy. Well worth it. That is soul food in the food building. All right, Annalie, what did you get?
I got an Oatly soft serve root beer float. Haven't had one of these in like 3 years. So here it goes.
And because you're dairy free, it is Oatly. It's
Yes.
made with oats.
Yes, made with oats. So
Again, in the food building.
tastes just like a root beer float.
There you go.
Gotta love it.
There you go.
With a weed whacker, I did that in college.
For selfies.
Dude, we've been doing this all day. So just
what?
wait for Machinery Hill, okay? Can we even see it?
No, you can't. Annalie's not in it.
There you are.
Yeah, because my face is super close to it.
Oh, that's horrible.
No, you're not in it either.
I'll drop it down a bit.
I don't know if we're in there. I don't think we're in there. Here. What if we go further?
Oh, go even further.
Wait, where's the button?
I don't know.
No, it's recorded.
Oh, it's just
a
recording.
video.
It's new.
Shut up.
We're here.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, there you go. Now we get everybody.
That's the side-by-side you should get. That military ring.
Yeah. So whatever we do, it's got to have a dump box to it.
You can put a dump box on that.
It's a bit much for just running around the property. Huh?
Yeah, but it's perfect.
Hi.
Hi.
What do we have?
I don't know. These are kitchenettes.
I can tell you what we butcher chickens.
Okay.
And so we want a couple of really nice sharp knives for that.
Come to the right place. Cutco knives are all American made and guaranteed forever. I would say this would be the one. It's got some nice weight to it.
Mini
cleaver. Exactly.
The deed.
Yeah, exactly.
That's nice.
Are you riding with me? They'll wait for me.
You're recording me. Get on red, go ahead.
This is always the best part of the fair.
I know. I agree.
Because it's miserable to walk back. You're tired, everything hurts.
You get to swing your legs.
Get to swing your legs, get some movement that's a little different than standing on them. Twirl your ankles a bit.
Oh, like everyone is full.
Hmm?
A lot of times you're empty, you know?
Yeah, going back, especially this time of night. Right? I'm interested.
I realize people came at night all the time. I suppose people do when they work. They have to.
Well, yeah.
Or they come on the weekend.
And it depends upon what you're coming to do. If you're coming to eat, listen to music, drink, then this is, this is the time, right? If you're coming to do anything else, things are starting to close.
Yeah.
You know, the Chevrolet one, they're putting their tape up, stay out.
Well, here we are at the end of the 2023 Minnesota State Fair for our family. We always wrap it up with Sweet Martha's cookies, eat more than we should, take the rest home. But this is a snippet of the Minnesota State Fair. I believe it's the second largest fair in the country, runs 12 days, wrapping up with Labor Day weekend. Hey, if you like it, say hi, hit it a like, even, subscribe potentially. Most of what we do is tractor stuff, but this was a nice change of pace.